Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is week 28 of 2023 and today we'll be discussing some of the key events that happened last week and also the market outlook for the upcoming week. So let's get started. So on a week to week basis, Nifty is up by 142 point, which is close to 0.7%, and we closed at 19,331 level. And Bank Nifty is up by 177 point, which is close to 0.4%, and we closed at 44,925 level. India VIX is also up by 7%, which has closed at 11.53. And though we are closing in green on a week to week basis, but on Friday we have seen a huge profit booking on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So on Thursday we made a high of 19,512 on Nifty. We actually crossed 19,500 level, and from there the profit booking came and we have lost almost 1% and we closed at 19,331 level. And Bank Nifty high was 45,600. We actually crossed 45,600 level, and then from there we closed below 45,000 on Friday. If we see the FII DIA data, so FII buying momentum is getting slower, I would say. And on Friday they have bought only 790 crore, and DII selling is going up. On Friday they have sold almost 3000 crore. Now the major focus was on Nifty PSU index and Nifty auto index. So PSU index is up by 8.5%, and the major contributors were Bank of Baroda, which is up by 10%, and PNB is up by 17%. Also, Reliance has shown a good amount of rally this week. It is up by 3.5%, and probably this is due to their demerger confirmation news. And hopefully, within next 2 to 3 weeks, they will come with the final demerger news of Reliance Jio, and they probably will come with an IPO later. So coming back to the global market, if we see NASDAQ is actually closing in red, and it closed at 15,054 level, and it is forming a base actually at the top level after a rally. It is taking a pause, whereas Dow was devastating once again, and it is down by 2% and closed at 33,734 level. Now coming to next week's news, so we have US CPI data and India CPI data, and we have certain IT results. TCS and Wipro will be declaring the results. IT is not performing well, as we all know, for last 2 quarters, and probably this quarter will not be an exception. So market is already discounting the IT stocks, and so I don't think if a bad result comes, it will affect the market heavily, because market is already discounting that factor. So if any surprise comes from any of these results, we can probably see a upside rally, but not much downside from here due to the bad news. Now coming to the market outlook for the next week. So we have seen a profit booking on Friday, and uh, according to the data and all, it will continue for next 2-3 days. At least the market will consolidate at this point, if not heavy profit booking comes. So we have to closely watch tomorrow's opening, and then how it trades all through the day, and based on that we can probably be getting a view that how it will work all throughout the week. But as of now, there is no indication of major profit booking. It's just a normal pause or profit booking from the higher level, and Nifty is likely to trade between 19,200 level on the downside, and 19,500 to 19,550 on the upside level. If it breaks the lower side of 19,200, then we can probably see a more downside on the upcoming days, and it may break 19,000 and go downside. So nothing, uh, but as of now, looking at the data, we I don't think it's a heavy profit booking. So we are assuming the range will be 19,200 to 19,600 for next week in Nifty. So yeah, that's all for this week. Hope to see you soon next week. Thank you. Bye bye.